You've probably heard of GitHub, but do you really know how powerful it is? In today's video, I'm breaking down the ultimate GitHub guide. Even if you're not a programmer, you'll learn how to take full advantage of the world's biggest open source platform. From AI image and video tools, online courses, to magical software. We're diving into a treasure trove of free resources. Let's unlock the open source universe together. What is GitHub? Before we dive in, let's quickly go over what GitHub actually is. GitHub is the world's largest open source code hosting platform. It lets people store, share, and collaborate on code for free, and track every change along the way. But here's the thing. Even if you're not a developer, GitHub is packed with tools, software, and tutorials you can download and use. Want AI tools like DeepSeek, Flux, or WAN 2.1? Web templates? Automation scripts? GitHub has it all. How to use GitHub. Let's jump into how you can use it. Step 1. Sign up and log in. Head to the GitHub website. I've dropped the link in the description. If you're new, hit the sign up button in the top right to create an account. Once you're in, you'll land on the GitHub homepage. Can't log in? Your network might be blocked. Try switching to a US-based VPN or another network. That usually fixes it. Step 2. Learn to search. Unlock thousands of free projects. GitHub's most powerful tool? The search bar. It's right up top. Type in something like comfy UI and boom, thousands of related results. Overwhelmed? No worries. Just sort by most stars. More stars equals more popular and trusted projects. Think of stars like likes on Instagram. It's how the open source community shows love. Step 3. Learn the 4 key sections of any repository. Clicked into a repo and it looks like gibberish? Relax. You only need to focus on 4 areas. About on the right, a quick summary of what the project does. README. Scroll down. This section explains features, usage, screenshots, and more. Releases. This is where devs upload easy install files. Look for APKs, Android, XEs, Windows, or DMGs, Mac. Issues. Got a problem or question? Check here. You'll find solutions from the community or ask your own. Bonus tip. If you like the project, hit that star button to show support. Open source devs work hard. Let's show them some love. Step 4. Explore tab. Click the 3-bar menu in the top left and go to Explore. GitHub will recommend cool projects based on your interests. Other tabs worth checking out. Topics. Quickly find projects on topics you care about. Trending. See what's hot today, this week, or this month. Discover hidden gems. You can even filter by programming language or region. Great for finding global ideas. Step 5. Follow devs. Need inspiration? Check out the developer section and explore. Click into any dev profile to see their projects, bio, and latest updates. Hit follow to stay in the loop. One account we highly recommend? Hello, GitHub. It curates beginner-friendly and fun projects every month. Step 6. What can you actually find on GitHub? Tons of amazing free stuff. Courses and books. Ivy League level content including MIT and Stanford materials. Software tutorials. Learn tools fast with real-world examples. Free commercial fonts. Perfect for designers who need stylish, legal-to-use fonts. AI tools. Want to monetize with AI? Many paid tools have totally free open-source alternatives here. That's it for today! Whether you're a developer, student, content creator, designer, or just someone hunting for awesome free stuff, GitHub is your gateway to a world of open-source gold. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to star the projects you love. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite GitHub discovery.